today I'm not using my face today. My face is not messed up or anything. I'm just going to stop putting my videos on. I am so mad because no one watched my videos. So I'm just going to take out all my videos except for this one and start making videos without my face. So yeah, but I think I get like 16 subscriber or 15,000 or a million. A million. I said million. I'm sorry, yeah, million. But yeah, so yeah, I'm not a rude person. I haven't been doing pranks like them other people do all them kind of things because I don't have no subscribers. Who's gonna watch it? Nobody but me. So there's no point of me doing it. So yeah, it is hot. I'm just gonna talk about the slime now. So here is the slime I have right here. It's a pretty color. I did not make it or anything, so don't turn off the video or check the videos. Do not make it, but I made a slime with this video, but I'm going to be deleting it and then making it over, so yeah. So here is a pretty color, pink. It smells like baby lotion. You cannot see it. It looks like it's white, but it's not, so yeah. It's fall easily, watch. See how fast it fall? Yeah. Fall easily. It's sticky too. See? Ooh. But if y'all want me to make slime videos, just comment down below. Or y'all want me to make pranks, I will make a good prank. I had a prank, but I never put it on YouTube. But I was going to, but then they needed the camera. So yeah. They needed the phone, so yeah. Now guys, people who comment, oh, famous. I haven't made a slime video with that. Let's go back talking about that. So I haven't made a slime video about that, but that is in the garbage because I'm so happy that it is. That's not wasting slime either. So yeah, it's in the garbage because it smells and it is not how slime supposed to be. It's like broken up like this. It's like broken up. One broken up and it won't go together. So that had to go. I might do a slime video. This smells like baby lotion. It feels good. It don't feel like the other slimes, and then it started feeling good. So yeah, it is like crunchy. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I wish you guys could see it. It is a sticky slime. So yeah, it is sticky, and I was playing with it. Like it is still in the bottom. We're not supposed to be having slime at school, but I brought it. No slime at school, but I never told nobody yet. So yeah. And that was on like Friday, yeah, when we had a substitute and they was acting up. And I wasn't. I was just so mad that day. Well, I wasn't mad. I was so growly. In the morning, I'm growly, so in the afternoon, I'm stuck and happy. Then I could, plus my ear was hurting.